The workshop is co-produced and co-delivered by trained facilitators, and when I say co-produced and co-delivered, I mean by people with lived experience of using mental health services, family members who are supporting people using mental health services, and the expertise of people that actually work in the mental health services. It's an evidence-based training. It's all trainers receive training that is standardised training by expertise in facilitation skills. It works with community mental health teams and individuals who work in the mental health services. It focuses on the first conversation some teams may have around recovery practice, recovery as a concept, and the principles of recovery. It creates a forum for teams to begin the process of reflecting on the services they offer at the moment and looking at how they can enhance the approach that they're using and incorporate the recovery principles to enhance and to improve the quality of the experience of people using the services.
I think it's that teams get the opportunity to have true recovery conversation, possibly for the first time, and start thinking about how that will then impact and influence their practice and what they can do differently to start working in a recovery way as a team and as individual practitioners.
And it also allows to work with and be facilitated by people with lived experience of family members. And it's often the first time staff have that experience and they relate to people and family members in a different way.
Teams get the opportunity to have true recovery conversation, possibly for the first time, and start thinking about how that will then impact and influence their practice and what they can do differently to start working in a recovery way as a team and as individual practitioners.
And it also allows to work with and be facilitated by people with lived experience of family members. And it's often the first time staff have that experience and they relate to people and family members in a different way.
One of the challenges may be that they don't meet up beforehand, so we try and rectify that by meeting beforehand, maybe a week or two beforehand, to go through each session and who takes what part, getting to know each other, and also not feeling inferior to the service provider, that we're all team members, and it all helps that we all get along and we're all there to support each other as well. So we haven't really faced any major challenges, thankfully, so far.
From an organisation perspective, it's about engaging with the teams and selling how this training can enhance them as a team and as a unit, and overall how it can improve working with people that use the service and family members in a different way. So it's trying to knock on the door and selling a product that this will benefit you as well, which can be challenging at times.
And some staff are more willing to come to the workshop, so it's trying to reach the people that aren't coming yet, I think, as well.
I think it's similar to what Antoinette said. It's about supporting ourselves as facilitators, good organisational skills, good communication skills with community mental health teams and individuals working on the teams. So it's about the whole true process of recovery, connectedness, collaboration, partnership, support, and learning, mutual learning from one another. A training team to be cohesive and support and facilitate, I suppose, growth and learning within our facilitation team as well.
And that equality underpins all of that, that once the facilitators truly feel that they can make an equally valuable contribution, then I think co-production really takes off, co-facilitation really takes off.